Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our AI-powered Leaders Workshop.
We've walked in as like a boardroom, close-knit, 12 people, and that's so reassuring because you know, right, okay, I'm actually really going to get something out of this.
I do think in person just is better. It's more natural.
It's easier to really absorb information, and I feel like there's going to be a lot of value out of today.
It has that more personal touch. It's much easier to stay engaged.
When you intersperse that with the ability to actually do stuff yourself, it does bring it to life a bit more.
Okay, so we've got 3 hands-on exercises for you all today.
So I've been taking some notes throughout, what's the first thing I can do? I think creating my own custom GPT for some of the repeated work that I do using AI will probably literally be the first thing I do.
I think one of the key takeaways for me of the morning is process mapping and looking at how we can utilize AI agents in order to improve some of those inefficiencies at work.
You can very easily look at how AI could actually plug in to get rid of the painful parts of the processes or speed up the slow parts. In a small business like ours, it's going to enable us to grow much more quickly.
I think it's just given me the headspace to start to think a bit more creatively about where we could apply it, or some low-hanging fruit that we could address. That's probably been the best outcome for me today.
No, I think in the time that you have one day to cover the amount that we do cover on this course is miraculous, to be honest, because it's such a huge topic. To have someone who knows what they're talking about, that you trust, it is a very important part of it.
So we've been working with innovation for about 5-6 months now. We've been sort of learning how we can sort of upskill ourselves.
Generally speaking, I feel more excited about AI, definitely, and most importantly, more confident as well. So when I go back into the business, I feel like I can take a more leading role in those conversations.
More excited because I now know more how it's going to work for Spirit and where we could actually use it.
I am an 11 out of 10. I'll give you that, yeah.